Did you know that family counseling is here for you? I'm Virginia Intellisano, mental health counselor, registered intern with the state of Florida, and I'm here to talk to you today about family counseling and why it's important. Family counseling are for all members of a family. It can bring you closer together, help promote unity and understanding. Also, it can help educate you. Let's say, for instance, that someone in your family has a mental health issue or illness, and you do not know much about it. You don't know the symptoms, you don't know the treatment. You can contact a mental health professional in your area or a psychologist to have an appointment for family counseling in order to bring all of your family members together to talk about and help support this person in your family. You can also do an intervention in terms of alcoholism or drug abuse. These types of things can help you save one of your family members. I'm Virginia Intellisano, and if you have any questions or concerns about this, please contact a psychologist or a mental health professional in your area. And please remember that your safety and your sanity is imperative.